Hello everyone, today we are going to do another tutorial on how to get into Ayesha, or also called handspring, golden smooth from straddle, or also you can call it from middle split on the pole. Hi everyone, this is Ina and this is video number 4 in the tutorial series on how to get into Ayesha, or also called handspring from other trick. If you haven't watched other videos yet, there will be a link down in the description that will start you from video number 1. So first I will show how it looks, and then I will explain in steps, and after that I will give you some tips, and after that I will also show few transitions that you can do from this move. So now I will demonstrate the entrance. Now also on the other side how it looks. For this entrance to handspring, you will need enough flexibility in your legs. You have to be able to do the straddle on the pole like this. It's not a middle split, but it needs some flexibility. So do your splits first. Now I will break down the trick on 4 steps, and so it's gonna be like 3 or 4 steps. Let's get started. Alright, step number 1, go into straddle or split on the pole, like this. Main point here is pay attention to how my hands are on the pole, and my body position is, the more you lean down, the better, the easier it's gonna be to push from the ground. So step number 2 is change your hands to twisted grip like this, and step number 3, once in twisted grip position, then push with bottom hand from the pole and lift the leg that is on the floor. 3. And step number 4 is to do your handspring from inverted D. Alright. Finished. Tips. So tip number 1 is, actually it's easier to do this trick if you put your bottom hand closer to the pole like this. So in this way you can put upper hand in your twisted grip. Yeah, I mean you have more stability like this, or you can try like this, the grip. Yeah, so, and you can choose which is better for you. So twisted grip. And actually tip number 2 is, while in your inverted D, wait until you're stable, and just after that do your Ayesha. Okay. Yeah, just the tips.
this tutorial, like, subscribe, and share this video with your pole dancer friend who is struggling with this move. Comment below if you like this entrance variation into Ayesha or request video you want me to do tutorial about.